All right, Brian, this is the Galaxy 99 you sent in. Um, of course, you remember it had no meter light in it, and you mentioned wanting a blue. At this point, can't really tell with the phone here, but it is a color changing LED. Instead of it just being white or blue or whatever, we are scrolling through several different colors. Um, your frequency counter display and channel display are no longer the regular factory funny green. They are kind of a amber orange color now. Yeah, we just went from blue to red to green on the meter. Um, but you was concerned about it not putting out like it should, and you were right. It was doing less than what a single final radio does, much less a dual final radio. Run into lots of problems with there. Put a new voltage regulator audio amp in it, and once I started checking, one of the finals was bypassed because it was bad, so they had bypassed that circuit, and definitely a lot of work on the backside of that board that needed to be addressed and fixed. Um, but at this point, I've straightened out the bias, cleaned up all the bad solder connections, removed a lot of ugly mods, and it's got new voltage regulator, audio amp, the big one. Um, got a brand new driver. Got two brand new finals, and the original finals are almost impossible to find on these. Not I say impossible. You can get them, but if you like to pay $60 a piece for them, by all means. I don't. I don't want to pay that. Um, but yeah, I've got some finals in it that are a good match. They are actually HG 1969s. Um, at this point, we are doing as we should. Hello, audio test 1 2, and I've got it where it meter does light up red when you key up. See it on the power. Variable power wide open. 6-watt key. Variable power all the way down. 1.5-watt key. Hello, audio test 1 2. And the talkback on this one is a little bit loud. Hello, audio test 1 2. Audio. But it is doing like a dual final radio should do at this point. We're swinging right at 30 watts on this one, which, considering it's the work that's gone through there, we was doing 12, 15 watts before. Um, and like I said, there was a lot of work to be able to get those two finals to work together again. But yeah, this one is going to be different, one of a kind, and good clean audio. The audio is not cut. Frequencies are all lined up. Sideband works as it should. I'll throw that over on sideband. Hello, audio test 1 2. And of course, the talkback still lets talkback work on sideband. You can turn the echo off to do that, and the talkback would quit. Robot board works, voice changer board works, and echo works. 10K works as it should. Just jump 10K. Clarifier tracks on both transmit and receive. Roger beep works as it should. Band switch works as it should. You got the full 8 bands of channels. So A, B, C, D, and then flip it to high, and you've got 4 more. High and A is regular 40 channel band. Volume squelch, mic gain, RF gain, light dimmer will dim the channel display and freak counter, but it does not really dim that meter much. And then your variable power is there, your dual echo control, dual clarifier. At this point, everything works as it should, straightened up. Big difference from what it was when it came in. And I was trying to adjust the lighting in here. No matter what I do, you can't really see the how pretty this color changing meter light is. I get it right up here on it. lets you watch it for a minute. But it actually looks real nice as you know as it changes colors. It looks like it belongs that way, like it was factory, and definitely a big improvement from what it was.